Hi, everyone. I'm truly honored to speak at ABIC 2025 in the American University in Cairo. I'm Dr. Sinda Zarrouk from the Pasteur Institute of Tunis. I am biologist and also head of core facility. Today, I will share how microscopy has empowered biomedical research at our institute from its Pasteurian heritage to its future vision. Let's start with whether it all began. The Pasteur Institute of Tunis was founded in 1893 and remains one of the oldest members of the Pasteur network. It was founded in 1893, a place where public health, research, and education meet. Okay, thank you. Let's start with where it all began. The Pasteur Institute of Tunis was founded in 1893 and remains one of the oldest members of the Pasteur network. It was founded in 1893, a place where public health, research, and education meet. From the pioneer work of Charles Nicoll, who won the Nobel Prize in 1928, today's biochemical breakthrough. Our institute has always embraced microscopy as key to discover. From this remarkable legacy, let's move to what defines us today, our expertise and our leadership. We are a leading center in infectious diseases, genetics, and vaccine development like BCG. Beyond infectious diseases, we are advancing research in antibody, nanobody, and venom-based therapeutic. Our teams collaborate internationally through the Pasteur network, tackling a global health challenge. This combination of public health and innovation form a dual ecosystem excellence. At our institute, public health and research innovation are not separate words. They constantly interact. Our clinical laboratory and research unit work hand in hand along discovery at the bench to translate into better diagnosis and vaccine. To illustrate this ecosystem, let's look at the pillar that sustain it. Je change. Okay. Our public health laboratory cover a wide range. Je peux pas changer. Voilà. Okay. We have a problem to change. Our public health laboratory cover a wide range from virology and bacteriology to immunology, epidemiology, and vaccine production. Many serve as WHO reference center. This long-standing diagnostic expertise form the foundation of our scientific credibility. Now, let's see how research innovation complement this foundation. Pasteur hosts 10 research laboratories connected to society, also hosts several technology units. One focuses on mRNA vaccine research and development. Another produces recombinant protein and antigen for research and diagnosis. And also Institute has a high content facility and omic core facility in progress development. Okay. These technology are developed in order of priority. Together, this complementary technology built a holistic understanding of health and disease from gene to cell. Okay. Microscopy is a part of IPT DNA. It has been part of our identity since 1893. It remains the backbone of our research from diagnosis to discovery. Our heritage from microscopy spans more than a century innovation. Since 1833, microscopy has been at the heart of our mission, from Charles Nicolle, pioneer work on typhus, to Paul Durand study of plague, to Amor Shadley, modernized after independent microscopy. Each generation has advanced our visual understanding of disease. Building in this heritage, let's fast forward today overview of our microscopy portfolio. We have over 100 microscopy used by a wide range of researchers, medical staff, and academic partners. Access is free of charge. Institutional user and operational costs are covered by the Institute budget and research grant. Let's now take a look at a few snapshots of projects carried out using different imaging systems, for example, in genetic lab, in project donc biotech unit, and in biomolecular venom and therapeutic application lab. All this lab use different microscopy, fluorescence, light, inverted. Lab pathophysiology, molecular genetics, and biotechnology lab also. And the last, okay, biomedical genetics and oncogenetics lab also utilize microscopy. IPT imaging. This slide represents IPT imaging today, challenge and strategic vision. A SWOT analysis, okay. A SWOT analysis was conducted and revealed several key insights regarding the strength, weakness, and opportunity related to the implementation of the imaging platform. This analysis helped us clarify where we stand, our asset, our challenge, and the opportunity that can guide our next step. Now, let's see this finding translate into concrete action for developing our imaging platform. Our strategy vision is to implement integrated imaging platform IPT. This platform will centralize microscopy and imaging research, ensure sustainable maintenance, and optimize access for all users. It will support high-quality research training and foster regional collaboration and reinforcing IPT's position as a leader in biomedical innovation. The microscopy facility. Yes, our goal. The microscopy facility at the Pasteur Institute, it was first established in 2012 using existing instrument. At the time, the main system was an electron microscopy, which eventually became non-functional. This situation clearly revealed a new need to acquire a confocal microscope able to support cutting-edge research and follow technical progress. In 2020, the Ministry of Health provided initial finding of around 200,000 €, modest but symbolic. Then came COVID-19 pandemic, which forced us to pause the project. Today, we are relaunched the acquisition process with renewed determination and updated budget request. Our goal is to secure a medium confocal system tailored to emerging biomedical priority, such as mRNA-based project. We have a clear action plan with the three phases. Short terms, recognize the space and consolidate microscope. Acquire and install the confocal microscope funded by the Ministry of Health. Medium term, achieve full operation capacity of the IPT imaging core facility. Long term, expand service to national and regional partner. Okay. Finally, together we innove, together we train, together we build a healthy, stronger Africa. And thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sinda. Do you have a question? Okay.
Hello, but my question is for the previous speaker, for Rodriguez. I don't know if she's still online. Now, my question I also asked on the chat, and also Steven, another ABIC member, was interested, is about how to assess those patients' guide data in terms of research, collaboration, because this is another, let's say, problem that as soon as you start to do microscopy for translation or patient data analysis, you will have to deal how to assess those patient data that usually have a lot of anonymous, privacy, legal framework. Moreover, I mean, for me in Europe, it's crazy. We have a lot of issues to get access to data of this type. Maybe you can elaborate on how to assess data from your incubator and virtual lab. Also, Steven was interested on this kind of collaboration. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, we have access in scope of the incubator because we have a collaboration with the Central Hospital in Cape Verde and Mozambique. All these images from the patients, we apply the consentment, and then we get the authorization to collect the tissues and the other information about the patients.
My question actually is for Dr. Zarrouk. I had a question about your facility. Is it open for outside researchers from either from Tunis and the region to access either through collaboration or for fees?
It's open with collaboration project. Yeah.
Thank you.
Do you have an
Not only use the microscopy.
Okay. Thank you so much, Dr. Sinda. Thank you, Neidy. We're going to move to the next. Yeah, we have a question before we move to the next speaker.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sinda. Yeah. We also have snakebite research in our center, and I would really like to know whether you have some opportunities that can have access to your lab to see how you do it, so that we can at least borrow some insights from your lab.
Can you repeat, please, the question?
Yeah, we also have a research center. Yeah, in some of the research that we do in Kenya, and then we do quite a lot of molecular and also serology. And I don't know whether in your lab you have opportunities that can give us access to see how you do the microscopy part of the venom research.
Yes, we can, but not in my laboratory. In our laboratory, yes, we can. You can. Okay.
I'll see you later.
Okay. With collaboration.
Do we have any more questions?